Hi, it's Tom Wells for Federal Student Loan Forgiveness, and we are going to look at Obama loan forgiveness programs. More college graduates are produced in the United States of America than in any other country in the world. While this ensures that the future workforce will be well educated, the majority of them will also face a rocky road for several years trying to pay off student loans. More than 70% of graduates from a four-year college had student loans that were outstanding, according to a study by the Institute for College Access and Success. The average amount was almost $30,000, up more than $6,000 just 4 years previous. For those in the public service industry, this is quite troublesome, since the salaries paid in this sector don't pay enough to cover the monthly payback amount. This has prompted President Barack Obama to introduce legislation designed to bolster enrollment in these vital public service areas of study leading to employment. The Health Care and Education Reconciliation Act. It is designed to make college more affordable to many more citizens by expanding repayment plans, making the terms more palatable for those who couldn't afford them previously. This Obama loan forgiveness plan is intended to improve the attractiveness of the college programs and get more people enrolled in the vital areas of public service. How does this act work? College graduates now have some relief from the burden of debt that is enforced following their 6-month grace period. The Health Care and Education Reconciliation Act is now in effect for students enrolling in college beginning July 1st, 2014. There are two major tenets to the initiative, and they will be examined below. Income-Based Repayment Plan, or IBR. The new law set forth by President Obama broadens the types of repayment plans that are available to college graduates. Income-based repayments are not new, but the way they are structured in this new act makes more sense to a great deal of low-income earners. Now graduates have to pay a 10% maximum of their discretionary income instead of the 15% of the disposable income that was required before the legislation was introduced. Discretionary income covers the amount left over from a paycheck once minimum living expenses such as food and housing are covered. According to figures released by the Obama Task Force, more than 1 million graduates will be able to use this plan effectively. Student loan forgiveness. Regular borrowers who have made on-time payments towards their student loan can actually qualify to have the balance of the loan forgiven. This update supersedes that of the previous provision that demanded a 25-year payment schedule before intervention in the form of debt forgiveness could be made. This is great news for the majority of public service workers, but especially true for such professions as teachers, nurses, and the members of the military who may see savings after only 10 years of service when making the regular monthly repayment. Of course, this program only applies to federal loans and not private ones. Refinancing and/or consolidation can help to pay these off as well. The solutions are there for anybody who's willing to look for them. Thanks for watching.